students, now here we taken one example which is related with the applications of Simpson one-third rule. Now to solve the problems, volume of solid or velocity v given, time period t is given, and to find out the distance covered in some time interval, we are taking the use of Simpson one-third rule. So this problem is related with the applications of Simpson's rule. Now what the question is, the velocity v kilometer per minute of a mop which start from rest is given at fixed intervals of time t in minutes as follows. So this is the time period in the first row and velocity in the second row. These values are given. Estimate approximately the distance covered in 20 minutes. So this is our question. Now let distance, let S be the distance covered in time t, then ds by dt is nothing but our velocity. Distance with respect to time is nothing but our velocity. Now we have to find out the distance with respect to time. Time period t is equals to 0 to 20 integration t is equals to 0 to 20 s. This is nothing but ds by dt with respect to this, and it is nothing but t is equals to 0 to 20 ds by dt. It is velocity with respect to integration operator is t. Now this gives us s, the distance covered in time period t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 20. As the three parameters we have in the discussion, time, velocity and the distance. The two values in a tabulated form given to us, that is time and velocity. Now we have to find out for the corresponding time period, velocity is mentioned, then what is the distance covered after 20 minutes. For this we are using the Simpson one-third rule. Now here initially value of if time t is equals to 0, then we have velocity is also 0. So this become our v0 value. Now v1, this is the expression v1, v2, respectively. We are giving here these notations v5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and v0 first part. By Simpson one-third rule, we are writing here that integration value t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 20 v dt is equals to h by 3 v0 plus v9 plus first value, last value that we are mentioning here, plus 4 times v1, v3, v5, v7 plus 2 times v2, v4, v6, v8. So this comes here formula like this. Value of h, it is 2. So 2 divided by 3. Now we'll substitute V0 first, 0. And the last value V9, again it is 0, 4 times. V1 first, 10, 25 plus 32 plus 11 plus 2 plus 2 times V2, 18, 29, 18, V1, V2, V3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10 actually. I have to correct these values. First value V1, V3 it is 25, then V5 32, V7 11, and V9 that is 2. Again some change in the formula also, that I have to make correction in this. V0 to V10, 1, 3, 5, 7 and plus 9, plus 2 times 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. The count is 4 plus 2, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 entries are there. Now this we taken here, V1, 10, V3, V5, V7 and V9 plus twice V2, 18 plus 29, 20, 5 up to V8 we taken here. Now the calculation of this, which is equals to 2 divided by 3 plus 0 plus 4 into 80 plus 2 into 72, output it is 309.33 kilometer. This is the required, hence required distance is 309.33. So this is the problem that we have discussed by using the Simpson's 1/3 rule. This becomes the application of Simpson's rule. In this 3 parameters we have velocity, time period and distance. These 2 entries are in tabulated form given to us, and we find out the distance covered in the time period t equal to 0 to 2 equals to 20.